Hello, my name is Natalia Mudrik. Today I want to tell you how thanks to the steam locomotive of PRIZM, we spend time thanks to the cryptocurrency of PRIZM. We buy gifts, visit cafes, supermarkets, movies, and just live for PRIZMs. And all this form the shares on the steam locomotive PRIZM. I'll tell you what it is. The steam locomotive community was formed thanks to PRIZM, meaning and its goal is to increase the profitability of each participant and give them opportunity to build a structure without making an effort. In simple words, remaining coins on the balance according to a particular algorithm. What is, you do not need any equipment and leave your device to mute on. You will get extra coins just for keeping them on your address. Due to meaning you will increase your coins daily. In this case, your money will remain in your wallet and you will be able to dispose of them at your discretion, but the daily percentage of profit you will increase. In steam locomotive, quite simply, wallets are ticket each for friends, as in steam locomotive until 88 level in depth. Increasing this volume of coin structures forwards increases the multiplier and income of each participant. To participate, you need to buy coins on the PRIZM exchange and fill out a questionnaire. There are 3 options of entering the locomotive. 50 coins is a plus, 1,000 coins plus, and 36,600 coins plus. On different pairs after that, your income will grow. The team has a website, Telegram channel, Skype chat, technical support works fine. Weekly webinars are held, so I participate in the action. The best weekly video and get coins for it. Steam locomotive PRIZM has its own PRIZM exchange where you can buy coins and sell them. On the stock exchange, PRIZM provided deposits for amounts in excess of 5,000 coins. This for 30 days 15%, 60 days 35%, on 100 days 80%. Believe that this is an excellent option for the vodka opportunity to increase your capital. The conditions are excellent for this. Connect to the locomotive. Links are all in the description. Thank you for your attention and bye.